It's Monday the 11th of April 2011. I'm in a hotel, Crown Plaza in Soho, which is midway between Dubai and Muscat in the Sultanate of Muscat. There's been a power cut and it's raining. It's the most beautiful smell. If only a camera could smell it. I'm watching, as you see, I'm filming little drops of rain splashing down. Birds are flying, everyone's excited because it's raining, the roads are wet, as you can see over there, and it's April, May, and it shouldn't be happening. You know, this is rain, and it's the desert, and it's beautiful. You can hear nature just in ecstasy at being fed by water. Incredible. Sun's yet to come up. There's clouds, thunder, and as you can see, drops of rain. Fantastic.